Hi everyone, here is me with Mel on my mom's room, just so you can take a little bit of a tour here. And I am going to show you details because of course after a box opening video comes the details video. It's typical. So I am going to show you. These are her feet. Sorry. Her beautiful nails. She is so detailed. I love the little sort of red mark here that babies have. Well, I think we all have. The veinings, you can see the veining, but it's perfect. The mottling, it's amazing. She is so soft, and her little knees are so adorable. You can see it. Her little feet, isn't that just adorable? Looks so real. I'm going to show you her feet. These are adorable. So let's move on to her beautiful arms. These are her nails, beautifully painted. Her vein, you can see her veining here. Excuse my nail polish, it's horrible right now. You can see it. Then here we have another beautiful hand with beautiful detailing. Here is the veining. Oh, sorry, that is just a light. I really love the Noah Sculpt hands because they're not fully open, or not fully closed too. So if you put your finger right here, it looks like she's holding it. It's so adorable. So I put her in this onesie and in this fluffy hat. I know I'm not a good dresser, but this was only because I wanted her to be in a onesie to show the details. So she is got double chin, which I completely adore. And this little chin here, it's so cute. She's got the veining there, her eyes, her nose, her mouth. It's so sweet. You can see her. Oh, sorry. I'm going to show you her hair. It is still messy, I'm sorry. I did not have time to comb her hair still. I am a busy mama. So, yeah, here she is. Excuse the hair again because I am going to comb it as soon as I can. A little, oh my god, she's adorable. Her eyelashes, she's got a birthmark right here that I asked her artist to make, as I showed you in the box opening video. So yeah, we will be happy for years to come. Thank you so much, Donna. She's adorable. What an angel. Thank you guys for watching, and be sure to come back to see more videos of us. Thank you.